We're back with another spooky story time with me, Soraya. This time, a dark tale of horror that creeps from the shadows.
It says it takes place in the garage, Soraya.
Garages have shadows. Let me finish. Gosh, this episode of Halloween Horror introduces the exploding water heater.
Dun, dun, dun.
See? Told you it was scary. This story starts with a man named Mr. B. Now, Mr. B feels like a true Florida man. He prides himself on being a handy guy and a total Mr. Fix-It. At least until one day when he was working in his garage and he noticed something unsettling. A small pool of water under his electric water heater.
Water and electricity? That's not good.
Now, this water heater was already a cause for concern. Its thermostat had failed a while ago, but Mr. B decided it was good enough and didn't call a plumber. This new leak, however, was a different kind of threat. He saw a valve on the side dripping and, true to his DIY nature, he decided to fix it himself. He grabbed his tools, some spare parts, and with probably more confidence than he should have had, he got to work on capping the leaking valve. He thought, an easy fix, problem solved. After a long day of working in his garage, Mr. B went upstairs for a much-needed hot shower. He stood there, letting the warm water wash away the grime, completely unaware that his simple fix had just set a deadly chain of events in motion. As he was shampooing his hair, the entire house shook.
Uh-oh.
Bang! Sorry, George. Mr. B quickly hopped out of the shower only to find a gaping hole right there in his bathroom floor. The hole went straight through the ceiling, through the attic, and right out through the roof. Looking down, he saw a black, smoldering crater where his water heater used to be. Now, a smoking testament to his mistake. He was lucky to be alive. His home, however, not so much. Exploding water heaters can have and have had deadly consequences. This terrifying event happened because the water heater's thermostat had failed, allowing the water to get hotter and hotter. The pressure relief valve, designed to vent off the excess pressure, was shut, capped by Mr. B's fix. The water had nowhere to go, nowhere to escape, and the pressure built up until the tank could no longer hold it in. A little prevention goes a long way. And remember, sometimes what seems like a simple fix can turn your peaceful home into a house of horrors. Which is why it's always best to schedule routine maintenances with professionals that you can trust. We even have an all-inclusive maintenance plan that covers plumbing, HVAC, and electrical to ensure you never, ever have to deal with an exploding water heater in your home. Just give us a call and we'll make sure to send out one of our plumbers over to ensure your water heater is in tip-top shape.